The Vallejo team 30-13 stuck against the Red Alliance Bridge. Also 35-12 for some reason, not moving once again. They've had connection issues in the last few matches. Hopefully they'll be able to resolve them by tomorrow. And Spartonics, they were the Los Angeles regional winners. So it's very concerning that they are still having problems. Meanwhile, their Alliance partners, however, 17-17, firing it up high. With under a minute remaining, it's 47-23, 17-17, showing their dominance.